Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thanks for joining me today. I have a really fun video today because I've been asked to be part of the design team for Buttons Galore and More, which is a great company that makes embellishments. I'm sure you guys know them, know their products. They make lots of buttons, sequins, shaker mixes, all sorts of fun stuff for our projects. So yay, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get started creating for them. But first I wanted to show you all the goodies that they sent me for this month. And yeah, so many cute things, and I cannot wait to get started. So yeah, let's do that. So this is one of their product lines. This is called, this is like an embellishment kit, and all these products are available on their website, which I'll link down below, which is buttonsgaloreandmore.com. So you can get these embellishment kits, which have lots of great embellishments that all coordinate together. So let's take a look at one of them. This one is called the Autumn Afternoon. So as you can see, it comes in this cute little box that's all divided, and it might be taped. Yeah, it's taped right now, but we could see it right through. There's this nice trim, leaf trim, that's beautiful brown satin, it looks like. There's some gorgeous buttons, all different autumn hues in two different sections there. There's some beautiful seed beads, white and orange, well, clear and orange. Some beautiful charms. We have a flower, a leaf, two leaves, different sizes and shapes. Some sequins, good for your autumn shakers projects, and some flat back gems, green and orange. Just love all of these things. I cannot wait for fall. I don't know about you guys, but fall is my favorite season, and it's also one of my favorite crafting seasons. So this will be perfect. So cannot wait to use that. So that's the first one they sent me. They also sent this one, which is beautiful, and I know that because I have this one already, and I've been running out of some of the components, so I'm thrilled to have another box of it. This one is called So Crafty, and my favorite item from this embellishment kit is this trim. Look at that, isn't that cute? It's like a ivory color floral trim, and I like to cut these flowers apart and use them on my projects. So there's lots of different buttons in the two sections. There are some flat back gems. That's like a nice aqua color. There's seed beads in different shapes and sizes. Well, different sizes, different colors. Beautiful sequins. There's teal and green and clear. And these charms are sewing themed, based on the So Crafty name, of course. Sorry for the glare there. There's a sewing machine and scissors, and there's a flower there. Adorable. So the buttons that they make, obviously you think with Buttons Galore for their in their name, they're just amazing. Just really good quality, different shapes, sizes, anything you could need really. So there's that one. And then the next one is this set, which is called Let's Go. And let's take a look at this one. Okay, this one has, oh, I love the colors of these buttons. Browns and aquas. I love like chocolate and aqua together. I just think it's a beautiful color combination. And these seed beads, there's like a matte bronze in there. Oh, and there's some bigger clear ones with some turquoise as well. I like these sequins. These are really cute, like floral shape, and there's some translucent ones in there as well. Cute flatbacks. And this is pretty twine. It's like a twisted twine. That'll be good for projects. And a nice camera as well. Camera charm. That's so cute. I don't think I've ever seen that before. So yeah. So those are the embellishment kits, which are great because they all coordinate together, so it makes it easy to pull your projects together. Okay, let's move on to the next item. They sent me a couple of these shaker mixes in cubes, and I don't know if you guys know, but 28 Lilac Lane, which is, we all know their sequin mixes, you could get them at Tuesday Morning as well. They're part of Buttons, Galore and More, and they have great sequin mixes. Look at this one. This one is called Midwinter Night, and it's purples and blues and teals and whites. Oh, just beautiful. Look at those mini little stars. Aren't they cute? Those are sequins, and there's buttons in here. Let's see what else. Bigger sequins, flat backs. Just perfect for your shakers. Oh, I cannot wait. Making shakers is like one of my favorite things to do, paper crafting wise. So yeah, can't wait to get started with that. Beautiful colors. And it comes in this cute little cube too, which is really handy. And then the other one they sent me is this one, and this is called Poppy Fields. Really cute, like pinks, maybe like, well, poppy color, pinky orange. And again, there's buttons, there's seed beads, there's different kinds of sequins in there. Sorry for the glare on these, you guys, but it's hard to avoid. Look at that button, says Winnie the Pooh. That's cute. All right, so lots of different shapes in there. Sequins, buttons, adds lots of texture and dimension to your project, of course. And then they have these mason jars filled with buttons. How awesome is this? It just looks cute on display. This one's called Periwinkle Garden, and I don't know how periwinkle it is. It looks more like purple and black, but very pretty, and gray as well. Different sizes, of course. You could use these in all sorts of crafting besides sewing. But yeah, those are beautiful. So that one's Periwinkle Garden. This one is a mix of yellows and peaches and oranges. And this one is called Sunrise. Aptly. Love these. Love all the yellows. Been so into yellow lately. And then the next one they sent is called Halloween, which will be perfect for the upcoming crafting season. Excuse me. Love the blacks, the oranges. There's a little bit of yellow in there. There's different, there's translucent ones. There's opaque. Beautiful. I love adding buttons to projects, and I will show you some, of course, as I make them. So we have all of those. Let me just move these up a little bit because I have a lot of stuff to show. All right, and they sent some regular buttons as well. Well, not regular buttons, but like packs of just buttons. This one is in their Tiny Buttons line, and it's called Red Hearts. And they're teeny tiny, as you could see. So cute. Great to add to your any project, really, because they're so small and they're really versatile. So we have those. And then also in the Tiny Buttons, we have these cute little pastel round ones. And this one is called Victorian. Yeah, those are Victorian shades. I agree with that. And also in, well, these are shaped buttons. This is in their Fall Friends collection. Look at these. Aren't they so pretty? Oh my gosh. And they had their buttons. They're called Season of Change. But of course you could cut off the shank, you know, just with like a wire cutter or something and use them as just embellishments. But I love the two different colors of acorns. Acorns, I don't know. It's something about them. I love the shape. And then there you have fall leaves, different colors in two different sizes or two different shapes. So adorable. So we have that. And then speaking of buttons, I have 2 packs of the Button Fusion line. And that is, they're like a different patterns in one color family. And this one's called House of Blues. And as you can see, there's stripes. There's like a gingham one. There's like a pinwheel kind of looking one. Here's ombres. Very pretty. I like the different patterns there. And there's also another blue one. This one is lighter blues, and this one is called Blues Medley. So there's those 2. Beautiful. Love them. And okay, a couple more packs of straight buttons. These are glitter buttons, and these are different shapes of red glitter buttons. And this one is in their Sugar Shop line, and this one's called Ruby Slippers. Definitely looks like ruby slippers. And this one is a gold version of the same thing, and it's called Limoncello. Yeah, I guess there's yellow on the edge. Yeah, I could see where they get that from. Yellow gold. So there's those. And then, okay, let's get into their embellishments that I'm sure you guys know. You've seen these before. How about the Sparklettes? You guys have seen these Sparklettes embellishments, and these are, let's see, they're a mixture of gemstones, iridescent gemstones, flatback pearls, clear round drops, confetti shape, sequins, all that kind of stuff. So let me just dump one of these into a bowl so we can see it. This one is called Coral Coast, and oh, so pretty. Pinks, clears. Just open it up so you can see. But I want to be able to look at each piece. Okay. Oh, they're beautiful. There's, see, you can see the sequins. And then those little gems. And these I love. Love to use these in shakers. These are those, what are they called? Diamond gems, or, yeah. They're just really nice and dimensional. And there are seed beads in there. Sorry for the shadowing there. Just a beautiful combination for your shakers. Sometimes, you know, you just don't want to create your own shaker mix, and a pre-made one is just so handy, and you know everything looks good together. So perfect. Love this one. Okay, that one was called, what did I say it was? Coral Coast. Okay, and the next one is this, and this is called Crystal Hearts. And as you can see, it's like, it's all crystal hearts. Absolutely gorgeous. They have an iridescent glow to them. They'd be good on their own as embellishments or in a shaker mix. Beautiful. And then we have this one, which is so cute. It's called Frosty Friends. And let me open this one up because I can't really see what's in there. Get another little dish. Okay, so as you can see, there's little snowman sequins. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. And there's seed beads, there's sequins, there are those diamond gems. So it's mostly clear and iridescent, but there's a little bit of green and red in there. So perfect for your Christmas or winter projects. So cute. Look at that. That's an adorable sequin. So yeah, I love those diamonds. Those are tiny ones. Okay, so there's that one. And let's see. There's one more Sparklettes. This one, nope. Did I show that one already? No, I showed the hearts. Now here's the stars. This one's called Starry Sky, and it's all stars. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. I could use these individually or, you know, in a sequin mix. Love these. Very pretty. Again, they're all available on their website. And then the last group of products I got were doodads. And doodads are so fun. They just have lots of different things in them. This has those little, I don't know what they're called, but they're like little, they're not seed beads, I don't think. Those little tube kind of things, you know what I mean? I gotta figure out what they're called. But anyway, this one is pink frosting, and it's got some neon pink sequins in there. Those little tubes, I don't know what else to call them. And then like other clear sequins too. So really, really cute. And then the next one is this one. and this one's called Polar Wind, and it's got iridescent sequins, and it's got translucent sequins, solid ones, those really pretty like North Star looking ones. So yeah, Polar Wind is a good name for that. And then the last one I got is this one, and it's called Purple Rain. And oh, these are beautiful purple embellishments. So cute. Perfect for shakers. I'm going to be in shaker heaven with all of these fun products. Oh my gosh. I forgot to show a couple of things. These embellishments are called shimmers, and they're those translucent gems, and they have a little bit of sequins in them. And this one is called Sunset. It's got gorgeous like yellowy orange jewels or gems with the little North Star sequins. Oh, absolutely beautiful. Sorry for the glare. So there's Sunset, and then I got Celestial too, and this one is clear with some iridescent moons in it. Oh, beautiful. And I really like adding these to shakers because something rounder like these gems keeps things moving. If you have your shaker just filled with sequins or glitter, then things, you know, they tend to get piled up in different sections of your shaker. So adding rounder pieces like these gems really help to keep things moving. So just wanted to add those in. So that is it for my wonderful haul from Buttons Galore and More. Thank you so much to the company for sending me everything. I will, of course, leave a link down below if you want to take a look at these items on their website. You could also order them from their website. I know they have free shipping over a certain amount too, so there's that. And it's just a fun place to look around and get ideas as well. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd love it if you'd subscribe to my channel. I have lots of project shares, hauls, and of course now I'm going to be having some design team projects for this company. Very excited, yay! So anyway, thanks again for joining me, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye!